Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the oil gain 0.9% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices rose to a near three-year high and headed for a third straight week of gains, supported by global output disruptions and inventory draws. Growing worries over energy bills, food costs, and tax hikes prompted a hefty drop in British consumer confidence this month as people became more downbeat about the economic outlook. The dollar wallowed near its lowest level in a week versus major peers as improved risk sentiment wiped out recent gains amid easing concerns about contagion from a potential China Evergrande Group default.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 23:50 GMT. The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. The French producer prices will be released at 06:45 GMT. The U.S. durable goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.